Hello everyone, my name is Filza Nabila Putri Irwanda and my student ID number is 23130532211. I am a student of the LM3 School Teacher Education Program at the University of Lampung. In this video, I would like to present my analysis of a teaching video entitled Video Pembelajaran Bahasa Indonesia SD Kelas 1 Chapter 7 Aku Ini. I will discuss four main aspects of the lesson. They are the opening activities, content mastery and delivery, those of learning media and technology, and formative assessment with feedback. Let's start with the opening activities. From minute 0 to minute 5 and 45 seconds. The teacher begins the lesson by greeting the students, asking how they are leading a prayer, singing the Indonesian national anthem, and reviewing the previous lesson before introducing the new topic. In my opinion, this is a good way to start the lesson because it creates a positive classroom atmosphere and helps students feel ready to learn. The teacher also reminds the student about the previous lesson, so they can connect what they already know with the new material. However, I have one suggestion. At around minutes 5 and 20 seconds, the teacher could give a simple example from the student daily life before introducing the new topic. I think this will make the transition smoother and help first grade students understand the lesson more easily. The second aspect is content mastery and content delivery. From minutes 5 and 46 seconds to minutes 6 and 15 seconds. The teacher before the bird sounds that the student learned before. After that, the teacher explained the difference between needs and wants. Then, at around minus 18, one student is invited to come to the front of the class to read a personal experiment text and share his own experience. When the student looks nervous, the teacher encourages him and gives us positive support. I think the teacher explained the lesson very clear, and in the order, the teacher start with something familiar and the industries name concepts. This is subtitle for first grade student because young learners need simple and gradual explanations. Even so, I think the connection between reading the alphabet and introducing the topic of next and what could be explained more clearly. Also, instead of asking only one student to present, the teacher could invite several students. The certain experiments tips will give more students the opportunity to participate actively in the lesson. The third aspect is the ask of learning media technology or TPACK. Touch. From minus 5 and 46 seconds to minus 8 and 8 seconds, the teacher asks a laptop a project and PowerPoint slides during the lesson. One of the slides includes that are spilling them with pictures of familiar objects, such as papaya, an orange, a teddy bear, and car. The student complete the missing style labels to form the correct words. I think these learning media are very appropriate for fresh grad students because the colorful pictures make the lesson more interesting and easier to understand. The spelling activity also helps the teacher in the student reading ability before continuing with the main lesson. However, I think the lesson could become even more engaging in the teacher added simple animations, sound effect, or an interactive digital quiz. This feature could make the classroom more enjoyable and encourage students of participants more actively. The last aspect is formative assessment and feedback. From minus 8 and 8 seconds to minus 26 and 44 seconds, the teacher checked the student understanding several times. The teacher discussing games, question and answer activities, worksheet, and a short review before any lesson. In my opinion, this is a good example of formative assessment because the teacher monitors the student understanding throughout the lesson, not only at the end. This helps the teacher know learners whether the students are following the lesson well. However, I have one recommendation at around minus 26 and 30 seconds. During the closing review, the teacher will give more specific feedback. Instead of only saying that an answer is correct or incorrect, the teacher will briefly explain why it is correct or give another simple example. I believe this would help students understand the concept more deeply. The conclude I think this teaching video demonstrates an effective learning process for first grade students. The teacher creates a positive classroom and environment, explain the material clearly as appropriate learning media, and applies formative assessment throughout the lesson. Overall, I really enjoyed watching this lesson. I thought the 5 hours that could be improved, so giving more detailed feedback and involving more students in classroom activities. I believe the lesson is well organized and suitable for young learners. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. See you and have a great day.